Hello everyone, Buzzer here, bringing you my Lego Transformers mock creation of Predaking. Is based on the Predaking from Transformers Prime opposed to the Generation 1 combiner. So as you can see, here he is in his dragon mode, breathing fire, sporting the same colour scheme as he did in Transformers Prime, black, orange and white. So I'll just show you around. So Predaking also, you can open up his wings here, which are quite stiff. Now this figure's been on my shelf. Oh, let me focus the camera. Yeah, this figure has been on my shelf for a considerably long time now, and I thought I'd review him because pretty soon he's gonna end up back in the Lego box and reconstructed into something else. So here he is with his wings sticking out. He's got a fairly decent wingspan. So let's get on to the transformation. First thing you want to do is just remove the fire from his mouth. His mouth can open and close like so. He does have some posability in his legs as well, as you can see from these ratchet joints, and at the back, ratchet joints and a little hinge here. So yeah, let's get onto that transformation. So the first thing you want to do is just come back here, remove this piece, which you can clip the fire onto, like so. If you didn't see that, just clip it onto the end. And that becomes his weapon in robot mode, flamethrower. The camera keeps losing focus. So first thing you want to do is just get him standing. So extend these legs all the way out, like so. And just fold the tail out the way for now. I'll try and get as much of this in as I possibly can. Then just lift the wings up and out the way and rotate his upper body like so. I'll put the camera back in, like so, yeah. And then this next bit might be quite hard to film, but he's got this. If I just move the arms down, his chest actually splits open. See how far I can get it to split. It's really hard to do with there we go, just a bit stiff. So split his chest as far as possible. There we go. At the time this seemed like a good idea to split his chest open, but it just became a pain really. So now get his dragon head here, fold that forward all the way, and that will sit within his lower body. And then if we bring it up, so if I just try and show you, his head rotates around like so. And then with his arms, you have to bring the hand up, rotate it so that these two claws can go down. Then rotate the hand back again, like so. There we have one hand. And just repeat the same on this side. So bring that up, fold 2 claws down, rotate that back around, and then if we come to his feet, just fold the claws in there, unless you want to leave them out for more stability. Just fold them in like so. There we go. And then with his lower legs here, just rotate these around on both sides, and his wing has come off. Let me just connect that back on there, like so. So as for his wings, just sort of fold this around. I apologise for the lack of transforming in the video, in the frame. It's quite fiddly, this figure, and he's quite big. So I might have to do this bit off camera. There we go. And then his tail has fallen off, but usually that just folds up along his back. As you can see, connects there. It's too fiddly, I'm not going to put it on now. So yeah, that just comes up and just connects his tail like so, and there we are. Fold that down. And if I can back the camera up and focus, there we have Predaking. Apologies for the lack of this being in the video. But yeah, there he is. So it's going to be incredibly fiddly to show you his articulation, but basically his head is on a T-joint, his arms are on ratchets at the shoulder and elbow, same with his upper leg, his knees are on ratchets, and that's about it as far as articulation goes. If I just position this here, so as for his weapons, sword, you can put that in one hand. Get his flamethrower, put that in the other hand. So there we have it, Predaking. Quick size comparison. Here he is with Mirage. And as you can see, he is basically twice as tall. Hence why he was very fiddly in this video. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.